Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in last class we will discuss simple present tense and present continuous tense. Now today we will discuss our third part of the tense, third part of the present tense, that is present perfect tense. Present perfect, that is present perfect tense. Is that clear? Now, what is the structure of the present perfect tense? First of all, what is the basic structure of the present perfect tense? Subject plus has, have plus verb third form. Remember one thing? In this we use verb third form. This is our affirmative form. This is affirmative form. Subject plus has, have, not plus verb third form. This is our negative form. Has, have plus subject plus verb third form. This is our, and plus question mark also, this is our interrogative. Remember one thing, in interrogative we put question mark also. Clear? So these are the three basic structure of the present perfect tense. These are the three basic structure of the present perfect tense. Affirmative, negative and interrogative. Means this way we arrange our sentence in three forms, in three ways. Clear? Now, like example, write down, I have completed my work. This is affirmative. This is affirmative. I have not completed my work. I have not completed my work. This is our negative. This is negative. Have I completed my work? This is interrogative. This is interrogative. Clear? So what is this? This is interrogative. Okay. So this way we arrange our sentence in three forms: affirmative, negative and interrogative. In present perfect tense, remember one thing, in this we use verb third form. Clear? This also you all note down sequentially. Okay. First of all simple present, after that present continuous, and after that our present perfect tense. Now question comes in your mind that how we identify present perfect tense. For that also we have some indicators. Okay, every student means want to know that how we identify present perfect tense. हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस को मैम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? तो उसके लिए भी हमारे पास क्या है? फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव सम indicators like just, already, just already, just now, recently, just now, recently, so far, lately, so far, then after that lately, yet, this week, and this year. Clear? So these are the some indicators: just, already, just now, recently, just, already, just now, recently, so far, lately, year, this week and this year. This week and this year. So these are the identification way. So these are the indicators of present perfect tense. How we identify the present perfect tense in a proper way. Clear? Now, first is what? Just. Second is already. Third is just now. Fourth is recently. Fifth is so far. Sixth is lately. Seventh is here, this week and this year. Now everyone listen carefully. If you don't understand writing properly, so you all listen carefully and then write in your notebook. Don't ask again and again that ma'am, this we don't understand, this not seeing properly. So you all write, listen carefully and then write in your notebook, fair notebook. Clear? So these are the indicators. Now, already and just. Already and just we use in positive case. Remember this thing? Already and just we use in positive sense. In positive way we use already and just, yet and so far we use in negative case. Yet and so far we use in negative sense. Is that clear? So remember one thing, already and just we use in positive case and yet and so far we use in negative sense. Okay, so this is the very important topic. Okay, means some students do mistake. वो क्या करते हैं कि अफ्रमेटिव बनाते बनाते नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव में भी सेम थिंग ऐड कर देते हैं. सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. इन अफ्रमेटिव वी मीन्स इन पॉजिटिव केस वी यूज ऑलरेडी एंड जस्ट, तो हम नेगेटिव में यूज नहीं करेंगे. एंड यट एंड सो फार वी यूज इन नेगेटिव, सो वी कैन नॉट यूज दिस इन पॉजिटिव केस. क्लियर? आई थिंक एवरीवन क्लियर दिस. So these are the indicators of present perfect tense. Now write down example. He has cut his finger. This is affirmative. He has not cut his finger. This is negative. Affirmative. Negative, negative, and has he cut his finger. This is our interrogative. This is interrogative. This is our interrogative. Clear? So this way we arrange these three forms of tense: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Now, how we use indicators? Clear? I have not seen her lately. Now, lately come here. So, it means this is our present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, what we use? We use third form, V3. We use verb third form. So what is the third form of verb? I have not seen her lately. Clear? So this is the example of indicators. He has dash saved rupees 200 this week. This week come here. What is this? This week come here. And this is save. So what? This week is present perfect tense. So what we use here? Verb third form. And what is verb third form of save? Saved. He has saved rupees 200 this week. This way we use indicators in following tense. In present perfect tense. Clear? I think everyone understood this. This is the easiest way of tense. Now next example is write down. He has not reply up to now. Here now come, reply is verb. Now is come, then this is perfect tense. So he has not replied up to now. Clear? So these are the some examples of more example. Now write down one more example. My sister has not get up yet. This is our tense. Here not come plus yet come. Okay, yet come. So what is this? Yet come means this is present perfect tense. This is also present perfect tense. And what is the third form of get? Third form is got. My sister has not got up yet. Clear? My sister has not got up yet. Yet we use in negative sense. So this is the present perfect tense structure plus sentences, means plus sentences by and plus indicators. I think everyone understood this tense, present perfect tense easily. So you all do one thing, write down homework, means write down some sentences and that you all change into present perfect tense, means negative and interrogative tense. He has just gone. He has just gone out. I have recently read this novel. He has not taken the food. Now listen carefully. Which is in negative form, that you change into affirmative or interrogative form. Okay? These you change into affirmative or interrogative form. He has not taken the food and he has learnt the lesson. These you all note down in your notebook. He has not come so far. He has not come so far. Okay. So these are the sentence that you change into affirmative, negative or interrogative form. Change into affirmative, change into affirmative, negative and interrogative. Clear? This is your diary work. This is your homework. Clear? Now note down in diary. Fill exercise of present perfect tense in notebook. Now I think everyone understood these three tense with the help of indicators easily. This is the easiest way of understanding tense. Clear? So this now in next class, now our three parts completed. Present simple present tense, three parts means present tense. our 3 parts completed. Now last part we will discuss it next class. Now this is your homework, and this you all note down in your notebook and change or in free form. I will check your homework in ERP app. Okay, so you all do. Thank you and have a nice day. Our class is over for today.